What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today has been a it was okay day in the market. Not too many setups to my liking, honestly speaking. I'm up 131 in a day. We're getting closer to passing this evaluation, which feels great. Honestly, I cannot wait to pass it and move on because this took me a long time to pass this, honestly speaking. That $600 daily loss limit really like I had to restructure how I trade evaluations, because usually I go max contracts and just go full tilt, you know, but can't really do it in blue sky. I can't do that just because of that rule. So anyways, discounts, like I said yesterday, pretty real quick. I did the math on the 128 on this option right here. It comes out to about $46, right? I think it's like 47 or something like that. Which is not good for this right here. Don't pay that. For end of day scaling, yes, $46 is actually pretty decent, and just because it's end of day drawdown. So don't use, you know, option 1, use the option 2 if you're to use that. The 90% off is until the 13th. Again, I'm not sure if they're gonna extend it. They probably will, but if you want to do a end of day, definitely use this coupon code, just because you get more value, right? Don't use the option 1. It doesn't make any sense. But yeah, anyways, let's talk about the price action. Like I said, today has been, it was decent. It was nothing great. We made all-time highs again. When I came into the market, I basically saw this channel working up, and I saw this break, and they have a correction here as well. So that channel kind of played out, and I was looking to retest the highs, which we eventually did. I saw this, it was kind of a second entry. It was more like a visual second entry. It's not really a, you know, by the count, so to speak. Did not trade this because I wasn't sure what the price was doing, so I decided to stay out of the market. And then price ripped through through all the levels, and basically what I had was, I didn't have the channel at the time like that. I had it something like this. I think it was something like this. So I wasn't sure what the price was doing. Once I saw this kind of like price action, I got my other channel in here. You have a break new high already in place, and you can see some resistance here too. I mean, there's a lower high here, but that's too big. And then once I kind of like play around with the channel, this is what I kind of like came up with. This to me tends to look a lot cleaner. Maybe something like this. You do kind of get a that's not really close outside, to be honest. That's not too that's not it. But this is more like what I kind of like. But anyways, the trade was lower high. Again, I know I'm going against the trend. It wasn't a super like high probability setup, but I got 2 3/4 points, and I call it a day. I could have targeted the channel's low, but at the time, like I said, I didn't have the channel just like that just yet. It was basically after the fact. But hey, I'm pretty happy with my almost 3 points, so I'll take it. It's a Friday. I don't want to like end the week on the negative. So, but and then even like the 10K chart, this is what I was looking at. Pretty much same thing, kind of like you have this channel up, you have a break, and then I'm looking to retest this highs, which I'm pretty sure we're gonna get. I was just hoping it would come down a little bit more, the correction. Oops. Like this is the correction right here. Right, you have a break, and then it's a pretty strong trend, so we clearly see we couldn't even get a new low here. I mean, we might get it here and then go up. I don't know. But it is Friday, it is the weekend, so I'm not gonna push it. But anyways, overall, I think the week was decent. We had some tough days, and I think it's good to have those days under your belt, just because you get to see the price action, and you get to experience it, right? And you want to know how you're gonna do about those days, right? How you're gonna react, what your emotions are. So I'm glad I was able to kind of keep my composure, so to speak, and not do anything stupid, which is progress for me. but I'm ready for some straightforward, easy days, so to speak, right? I'm ready for those. Enough of this chop. Let's make some moves. Let's make some decent trades and decent channels and stuff like that. So I'm ready for it. I don't know about you guys, but I am. But anyways, that's it for the video. Hopefully you had a good week. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. Peace.